Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 P460e Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. This vehicle also has keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle does have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is great for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 27,974 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. This vehicle, of course, also has your 4x4 information, along with your terrain response drive modes. Your adjustable ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, especially when pairing this with the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. The 3D view can allow you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, and perhaps if you need a bit more help with difficult parking spaces, this vehicle also features park assist, whether this is to help you park or leave a space. The front seats in this vehicle are in fact massage seats, which is ideal for those longer journeys, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what. And as well as this, they are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And paired with this is a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 P460e Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.